Hello, today I am going to derive the third trigonometric formula, that is sin a plus b equals sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. That is an important formula we are going to derive today. Okay. Sin a plus b equals cos 90 minus a plus b. How did you get this? This is the first formula we derived. That is sin a plus b, sin a equals cos 90 minus a. The previous class we derived this formula. Sin a is equal to cos 90 minus a. So sin a plus b is equal to, I'm going to write one more time, cos 90 minus a plus b. Cos 90 minus a plus b. So distribute minus inside a plus b. So cos 90 minus a minus b. Now consider a minus b as one number. We know that cos a minus b, just apply this formula. Cos a minus b equals cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay, then just apply this formula in cos a minus b, 90 minus a minus b. Cos 90 minus a minus b. Cos 90 minus a cos b plus sin 90 minus a sin b. What is cos 90 minus a? From the previous class we derived that formula, right? Cos 90 minus a is sin a. Cos 90 minus a is sin a. Then cos b plus sin 90 minus a is cos a. Then sin b. Well, that is the answer. That is sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Thank you for watching.